Good evening. I would like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights for educational purposes using live streaming technologies. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data as well as analyze the price action of Nifty on multiple time frames and frame a view for 21st October, that is tomorrow. Along with our view on Nifty, we are going to be discussing the stock watch list. And first, let's start with analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So you will see that option max pain has shifted from 11,800 strike to 11,900 strike. So if market were to expire at 11,900 on 22nd October, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. And if we see the total open interest for this series, we will see that total amount calls have been written to the tune of 2.79 crore shares and puts have been written to the tune of 2.94 crore shares. And if we see overall, highest amount of calls have been written at 12,000 strike followed by 11,900 strike. And if we see the puts, we will see that highest amount of puts have been written at 11,800 and 11,700. So it gives us a broad range of 11,700 to 12,000 for Nifty. And if we see the open interest change on Nifty for 20th October, that is today, we will see that today almost 50 lakh shares of puts were written, and in calls we had an open interest reduction to the tune of 28,000 shares. And if we see 11,600 call strike, 11,700 call strike, 11,800 call strike, and out of the money call strikes 12,200 and 12,400 strikes, they all saw their open interest reduce. And we will see that maximum amount of calls today were written at 11,900 strike, and puts they were also written at 11,900 strike followed by 11,600 strike. So it gives us a broad range for Nifty of 11,600 level to 12,000 level overall, but for the near term we have a broad range of 11,700 to 12,000 level on Nifty. And if we are to see the straddle charts for today, this is the 12,000 straddle strike. So here we can see that the straddle was trending down for the day, because if we see the price action of Nifty intraday, we will see that after opening at 11,864, it started trading higher and it traded towards almost 11,950 levels. And post 1 o'clock, it made a low close to 11,885. So it was trading away from 12,000 strike, which can be also confirmed from straddle charts. So earlier part of the day, the market was trading higher. As it was trading higher, it was moving towards the 12,000 strike. So this straddle was decaying, but post noon, this straddle started rising, as it can be seen from the price action chart as well. And around almost 130, 145, market started trading lower, and that was a clue for us that market was going to be trading away from 12,000 strike. And the same can be seen on 11,800 straddle strike. So as the market was trading higher towards 12,000 levels, as it made it today a high of 11,950 level, which is closer to 12,000 level. So 11,800 straddle was initially rising for the day, and post afternoon at same time frame around 1:30 to 2 p.m. market started this straddle strike of 11,800 started trading low for the day. So it also confirmed when 11,800 straddle started trading lower and 12,000 started trading higher. So it gives us a clue that market was going to be trading away from 12,000 strike towards 11,800 strike, and ultimately we closed at around 11,900, near to 11,900, and exact close is around 11,896.8 on Nifty spot. So if we see the price action for Nifty on daily time frame, we will see that Nifty had an inside candle which broke to the upside on Monday, and today we also traded higher. So from pure price action perspective, we have been making higher high and higher lows. So invariably the trend is currently up on Nifty for the near term. And if we see the multiple time frame, market is under control of buyers above 11,364 levels on monthly time frame. On weekly time frame, above 11,879 level, market is under control of buyers. And on daily time frame, today market opened at 11,861. So as it traded above 11,880 levels, we had a situation in which we had time frame continuity to the upside. That is, market was trading above monthly open, weekly open, as well as the daily open. So buyers were relatively aggressive in lifting the offers today, and we just have to now wait for tomorrow open, and based on today's price action we get the following levels for tomorrow. Above 11,896 we can potentially trade towards today's highs, that is 11,949 levels. Above that, 11,979 levels, and potentially 12,017 levels. On the flip side, below 11,837 levels, we can trade towards 11,807, followed by 11,769 and potentially 11,725 levels, which also confirm the overall options open interest data. That is, highest amount of calls have been written at 12,000 strike, followed by 11,700 strike for puts in terms of highest amount of calls written. And now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for tomorrow are as follows: Bajaj Finance, Shriram Transport Finance, IndusInd Bank, and Adani Ports. So Bajaj Finance is also an inside candlestick. Shriram Transport Finance is also an inside candlestick. IndusInd Bank is also an inside candlestick. Adani Port is also an inside candlestick. So breakout to the either side of today's high and lows will take my attention to these scripts. So if these scripts trade above today's high, for tomorrow it would be previous day highs. So if market trades above previous day highs, that would be a signal for us to look for buying opportunities. And if markets tomorrow trades below today's low, which would be previous day's lows, then we would look for selling opportunities in these stocks. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. I would request you to share, like, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel, and you can check out the description link for various offers that Samco provides to its client. As you all know, I'm an authorized business partner of Samco. So I have also left a video in the description link which will tell you how you can access Digital Trading Floor for free for 12 months. And I will repeat again that I would be broadcasting my live trading from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and you would need to subscribe to Digital Trading Floor to access the private live stream content, which you can see in description link. So I would again like to thank you for watching this video.